gonna be fun no matter what.
I'm having fun already. I don't know about you.
So.
You're not gonna hit me with that, are you?
No, I will not hit the cameraman until after the shoot.
How we doing, people? I'm Ouano. I'm a filmmaker based in the Bay Area.
Hi, I'm Danielle Crook. I'm an actress and singer based in LA.
What else do you do?
I think that's it.
Actress, singer, model?
Voice teacher.
Voice
model,
teacher.
Sure.
She's also a teacher. And you're coming with us.
This is a pure and pristine natural forest, and there's not other people here, it's just us, and there's no cars, and there's tons of wild animals and unicorns.
Unicorns everywhere.
So we are
She's a
here
unicorn,
in,
actually.
It's true. We are here in the forest of Nicene Marks in Santa Cruz County.
Yep, and we were supposed to do a product photography
We're gonna do a
shoot.
product shoot today.
The deal fell through at the last moment, so now we have no products to advertise, and we're not getting paid.
But we do have ourselves to advertise.
We do. We have each other, and we have this lovely forest, and we are now liberated and free to do literally whatever we want. So what do you want to do today?
I want to talk about all the plants that I know the names of in this forest, and maybe some animals too.
Yeah, if we see some animals, they
I want to
tend to
climb
run away from us.
things, I want to eat things, and I want to look at plants. How about you?
That all sounds lovely.
All right,
Let's
really?
go.
Cool.
Yeah, let's go. And you're coming with us.
Hi. We could shoot some like pretty nature, like lifestyle, like walking, and then we could shoot some like funny Nicene Marks State Park, the best state park in California. Let's go. We have to redo that.
Action.
Hi, welcome to Nicene Marks State Park. This is one of the most beautiful, lovely state parks in all of California, if you ask me. I grew up in this forest, and I've been coming here since I was, you know, probably 5 years old. Mountain biking, hiking, running distance. I'm going to show you a little bit today about what makes Nicene Marks so special and beautiful and why I love it. This right here is a thimbleberry bush, and we have a beautiful specimen of thimbleberry right here. In the spring, they'll have these beautiful white flowers, and then right now, here's the kind of an unripe one, very unripe one, and this beauty is very ripe, perfectly ready to eat. Tasty. Kind of like a fruit roll-up, less juicy than a raspberry, less tart than a blackberry. Just kind of nice, mild, pleasant berry flavor. I love it. So over here, I spied some actually kind of ready and ripe blackberries.
I told her I would.
He's about to die.
Am I?
Wild berries.
You're poisoning my berries?
Here's some unripe blackberries. Cheers.
I just eat the whole thing at once.
It's really good.
That is good.
Even though it's not ripe.
It's like a little bitter, but
it's nice though.
yeah,
it's
if
like,
I had to
it's like
survive
a
in the
cranberry or
woods.
acai or something.
Acai is really good.
Yeah. Don't you taste a little bit of that tart, like acerola cherry or something? Here we have a redwood grove. So Nicene Marks is a redwood forest, and it was previously full of old growth trees, meaning they were hundreds of years old. In the 1800s, this forest became very popular for logging. So what you have in a forest like Nicene Marks, which used to be an old growth forest but then was subjected to logging, is you have a lot of what are called fairy rings, which are when the new trees grow up around in a circle where the stumps of the old growth trees were. The next thing we're going to talk about is one of the most famous citizens of the Redwood Forest and the mascot of this beautiful city that we're in, Santa Cruz. It's called the banana slug. Banana slugs are very large and very bright because they taste terrible. So they're actually advertising to predators, I'm horrible, don't eat me. And that's what they do, that's their thing. You know, typically birds love slugs, but these taste terrible, and so that's why they can be so big and obvious. Oh, he's coming out to say hi. Look at that cute little face. So banana slugs are also very slimy. They have a lot of like mucus covering them. I'm gonna see this like good sticky slime. And that protects them. And it also helps them climb. So this is a wild ginger. And it's got these heart-shaped leaves. And it's a long running vine. And it pops up just kind of all over the place. And you can know it's a wild ginger when you kind of smell the root, and it smells amazing and spicy. So how does it taste? It's delicious and spicy, and it has a horribly bitter aftertaste. So I don't recommend using it to eat unless you really like bitter tastes. This plant here is one of the most iconic redwood forest plants. It's like a ground cover. It's called redwood sorrel. And it's basically like a 3-leafed clover. And in the spring, they have really beautiful purple flowers. You'll see this pretty much everywhere that redwood trees grow. Redwood sorrel. This right here is a trillium. It has a kind of a naked stem coming up from the forest floor. 3 huge leaves, and that's sort of like how you'll always know that that's that. And then from that grows the flower. This one's already bloomed, but we'll also have 3 light purple petals. And so it's called a trillium because of all the 3s. This 5-finger fern is my favorite fern. Even if you have more than 5 fingers, it still kind of looks like a hand with fingers. That's an easy one to remember. They've got really thin, delicate black stems and just this nice fanning out array of fronds. So yeah, they like to grow near the river as well, also on the sides of hills. Kind of don't really see them under the redwood trees, but you do see them on this kind of habitat and by the water. I had no idea that I wanted to do a naturalist video where I talk about all the plants, but I got here and I really looked around and I realized there's no other place on earth where I know the names of all the plants like I do in this forest.
For the record, a naturalist?
Naturalist, I'm a naturalist, not
a naturist.
That is correct, because a naturist
is a nudist.
Is a nudist. So we just wanted to clear that up for you, in case you were worried.
I actually did not know that.
Either way, sorry to disappoint. Plants, not nakedness.
But plants are naked.
Plants are naked. The plants are not wearing clothes.
You could make clothes out of plants.
We could make clothes for the plants. We could make clothes for the plants with the plants.
So would that make you a naturist?
If I was naked now talking about the plants, I would be a naturalist. But also, if I put clothes on plants and then took the clothes off the plants, that could also make me, that would just make me a bad person.
Need to make some clothes for plants first.
And then strip them of the clothes so that they're naked. And then talk
Against
about
their
biological properties. Nudist.
Nature, nudist.
Naked. So here we have a nice little cluster of some usual suspects in the redwood forest. We have sword ferns, which are kind of obvious to identify because they grow long and straight from the root, like a sword. We have maidenhair ferns, which are beautiful, delicate, like to grow on cliffs and near the river, and the infamous poison oak. Poison oak has oils on the leaves that cause rashes in humans on our skin. Don't want to touch that. If you are in the forest and you think you're hiking through a green area with poison oak, you just want to make sure to take your clothes off when you get home, take a shower, and wash your clothes to get the oils off.
All right, I'm going for it. Loose rocks.
Did you make it?
Yeah, I'm here.
So this amazing formation is another example of huge old growth trees becoming the foundation for a whole bunch of new trees. Let's go inside. There's a lot of like burned out, hollowed out stumps. I'm guessing it was lightning that kind of hollowed this whole thing out. You just have all this fire here And then from the ashes came these new baby trees that are not really babies anymore. I've taken a lichen to this plant here. No, just kidding. This isn't even a plant, it's a lichen. And a lichen is, I believe, a symbiotic colony of fungus and bacteria. One thing about redwood forests is that they require a lot of moisture to grow. And what that brings is a lot of fungi, like mushrooms, lichens, and mosses. So it's a fun place to go if you're into that sort of thing, which I am.
You're a fun gal.
I'm a fun gal, and you're a fun guy.
I'm a lot shorter than you too.
Yeah, and I have very flexible legs.
Yeah, I don't, but...
So put your right foot up. Yeah. Yep. Ah, you're golden. No problems at all. If Dom were king of the forest. That one I'm proud of. Hey.
Nice.
Just, you know, take it in the view. I want to be as cool as Dom.
Do it. Woo! Hey Danielle.
Yeah, Dom, what's up?
So, you want to make a fake commercial for this camera backpack on my back?
I love fake commercials.
Let's do it.
This is actually a nice little spot, although sun is ideal, right? Because we're going to be cold.
Oh yeah.
So this is actually, look at this. It's photogenic. It's just absolutely
It's very
gorgeous.
photogenic. Get in there. You're photogenic too, so we got a lot of photogenicness going on.
Fun.
That does look like fun.
Tea life. Backpack.
That's my friend's
Not
tea
the
shop.
backpack. Oh.
It's an e-case
Hey,
backpack.
tea life.
Support local businesses because
Tea
they are the
life?
backbone of America.
I mean, they should be.
They are the backbone of America. Thank you.
I'm buying what you're selling.
I'll buy whatever you're selling too.
Nature.
You don't have to buy that, that's free.
You have to protect it.
We do. So we have to go now because Danielle has to go back to LA at some
True.
point, and I gotta get out
Sad day.
of Santa Cruz at some point. Yeah, I know, I wish we could stay here longer. But that's our video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm Dom Ouano. I'm a filmmaker here in the Bay Area. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to leave your comments and thoughts in the feelings section below.
The feelings section.
Your thoughts and feelings in the comments section below.
The feelings section. I like that.
That is quite a feelings section down there. If I actually had.
Hopefully not on your videos. Hopefully it's all just good feelings.
I hope so. I hope this video generates good feelings. We are out in nature today, after all.
It's a beautiful day. We
Yeah.
saw beautiful things. We
And
tasted berries and we ate flowers.
Yeah, we did.
Jumped in the creek.
We did. That was
We
fun.
identified flora and fauna.
And we didn't trip or fall on
And we
anything.
didn't. And we didn't break any products.
Yeah. And we didn't break any trees or branches.
We showed off some amazing things like this backpack and my leggings. I mean, what can I say?
Oh yeah. Well, that was all you. If you need on-screen talent, get in touch with Danielle. You are based in LA at the moment.
Based in LA, come to the Bay Area anytime.
She also does vocal coaching, so
Yep.
if you need help with your singing like I desperately do, get in touch with her.
You can follow me at Danielle Marie SC on Instagram or email me at dannymsc@gmail.com. Or daniellekrugmusic.com is another good way to reach me.
Excellent.
Thank you.
I'll put all of those on the screen if I haven't already. And for the rest of you, if you need any help with video, if you need any talent behind the camera, you can send me an email, say hi. I'm Dom Ouano. I'm a filmmaker in the Bay Area. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you. Thanks and bye.